How's it going, everybody? And today we're taking this to get remapped. So yeah, like I said, today we're going to take this up to a tuning shop that's not far from here, and it's a pretty good, we've got a good amount of power from a twin turbo 3 litre straight six. This guy's pulls quite well, but it is a 2-ton truck, so it can be a little bit slow sometimes and a bit sluggish, certainly compared to the Porsche at the back there. So we thought what we can do with this is get it remapped, and it doesn't take that long. It probably take them about an hour. They put it on a 4-wheel rolling road, and we'll get a proper map out of it, so not one of those just plug-in generic, that you can get somebody to come to your house and do in about 10 minutes. This will be a proper map designed for this specific car, not just this model, but for this specific car. From what I've been looking at, we should get something close to 70 horsepower and about 100 foot-pounds of torque out of this guy when it's remapped. The twin turbos make all the difference. So we're going to jump in the car now. We're going to get up to DMS Automotive in Southampton. We're going to see what they can do with it. Just before we go up there though, I would highly recommend getting this done if you have, certainly if you've got a diesel, certainly if you've got a turbo car, because it really gets the most out of what you've already got. So you don't need to go up to the dealership and drop another 40 grand on a brand new car that's slightly faster. You can just, fiddle with the one you've got. Probably cost about £500 for a really good map on something like this, up to maybe 1,000 if you've got something really new, a new Porsche or something like that. But for that money, there's nothing else you can do to get this kind of power in such a short amount of time. Like, some guy just plugs his computer in and done. So yeah, definitely recommend it. Let's go on with it. Okay, after a bit of a run down the dual carriageway, we've got here to DMS, and on the way we use this clever little piece of kit called Draggy. You connect this up to your phone and fix it in the car somehow. We just use a simple mag mount, and then you can do your 0 to 60 runs and 60 to 0 runs and all that sort of stuff to see exactly what sort of times you can achieve. Now, we just did one with the BM. I was like super happy because it was 7.1 seconds, and then this thing decided it wasn't verified, so we tried it again. I'm thinking I could definitely get this. I could definitely get this under 7 seconds, and as it turns out, you can't. It's not that fast. It's too heavy. It's like 8 seconds is probably the best I can do at the moment. So let's take it inside in a minute, and we'll see how much we can do on the rolling road and how much better we can make it. Let's do it. That's it, there we go. We've got the cars both on the rolling road. The Audi didn't go very well. Unfortunately, 2-wheel drive Audis, apparently it's a problem to turn off the traction control. So after we strapped it all down, nothing happened. But they've both been tuned. The X6 has been done. That thing bounced around with its oversensitive traction control, even when it was in the off position. It bounced around on the rolling road, but the guys here have got it done, and it says we're making 92 horsepower more than we were, and in the region of 140 foot-pounds of torque, so it should fly. Let's give it a go. Okay, welcome back. It's obviously another day because I've magically changed. But that wasn't that great the other day at DMS there. I mean, they were great. We just couldn't really film anything because there was loads of special things inside there that we weren't allowed to get on camera, which basically meant I couldn't film pretty much anything other than the wheels turning was very dull. But they're both mapped now. We did have a little go in this on the way home, but now we've got a better timing system in the car there. We're going to see just how much we can get out of this. And we found a closed industrial estate and we're going to have some fun. So let's get to it. Okay, we're going to try a drag race here. I'm just waiting for the traffic to clear. And we've got our specialist timing gear, just like Matt Watson out of CarWow. Yes, we copied you. We've got a short run down and the other car's coming alongside now. So let's just get this set up. Okay, you ready? Can you count it? Because I've got one hand on the camera.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Ah, that was a rubbish start, I'm holding the camera. That was savage. Okay. Oh, he's going for another go. That was pretty hard to that was pretty hard to talk and drive and watch the speed. But we what do we do here? 0 to 60. This is the guy, 6.2 seconds. That's not bad. I think we could probably beat that if I was in manual and sport and not holding the camera. So we'll give that another try in a minute. Right, we're recording. Yeah. Okay, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you the drag computer at the same time as filming me. So you get me instead of the drag computer, but I'll show you the time we do. All right, are you ready? Pull into position, we're in sport. Get this lined up, there's nobody behind me. Full stop. Set the timer. Are we ready? Here we go, 2, 1, go! Oh, it's so slow! Bogs down! Ah, it's no good. It's quicker, 6.12. I can't do that. In automatic, it bogs down off the line because you have to build the revs before you go anywhere, so it just doesn't launch. So let me try that another time. One more time. Right, we're going to do this again. Set the timer. We've got to beat 6.12. We're going to double clutch. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Jesus. Yep. Oh, we launched that then. Woohoo! That is insane. This is a diesel. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. So that is 5.42 to 60. That's insane. That is absolutely mental. Right. I'm just going to pull over here and show you on the camera. So, well, before I reset it, you can see here, hopefully it does say 5.42, 0 to 60. So that is mental. I mean, obviously, out of a petrol car, you'd get that, no problem. But in a twin turbo diesel. Okay, one more try. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jeez. Oh, that was even better. 5.32. All right, that was absolutely fantastic. We got this thing from around 7 seconds. That was pretty much the best we could do with a stock tune. You know, we've done nothing to it basically. So all we've done today is DMS have had a go at remapping it, and I say had a go, they have properly remapped it, and we're turning out something we're not really sure, but so we're getting something near 400 horsepower out of this guy now, like I said, and also the torque has increased massively on it. So I think we're generating something like 600 and something Newton meters of torque. It's quite hard to measure because the four-wheel drive system gets really complainy when you put it on the dyno. You can't really fully turn it off. Basically it's struggling for traction all the time, so you can't get a proper read. But I think we've done pretty well, and all that was a couple of hours on the dyno. They plugged the computer in, they've remapped it. We haven't really had to do anything else, and now I've got buckets more power and torque. So pretty happy with that. Yeah. Now I've got this to 5.32 seconds to 60. I kind of want to do some more. What do you think?
Do it.
Do some more. I don't know what we could do. Maybe we could do an intercooler. Maybe we could do the exhaust. That'd be very expensive. I'm pretty sure an intercooler would help. But anyway, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe down below if this has been fun, entertaining, useful, I don't know, whatever. And let me know if we should do more to Jarvis. Like I said, all my cars have to have names because my other half said so. So, Jarvis. See you in the next video. I was going to say it sounded like a bike, but then it looked like a van. It's like a little pit bike.